हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे नए ब्लॉग में। और हमेशा की तरह ब्लॉग की शुरुआत मेरे राम से। और आज हम जा रहे हैं रुद्र के स्कूल, और ये हम रुद्र के स्कूल पहुंच गए हैं क्योंकि आज है रुद्र का फंक्शन, क्लास डे फंक्शन है आज रुद्र का। और ये देखो मेरे बेटे राम अपनी बड़ी मम्मा की गोदी में सो रहे हैं। और ये देखो हम लोग बैठ गए हैं जहाँ पे इनका फंक्शन प्रोग्राम है रुद्र का। और ये अब प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट है।
Let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty with the song Jesus Want Me for a Sunbeam. Jesus wants me for a sunbeam to shine for every child. In every way try to please Him as long as full and fair. A sunbeam, Jesus wants me for a sunbeam, a sunbeam, a sunbeam, only a sunbeam for Him. Jesus wants me to be loving and kind to all I see, showing how pleasant and happy His ways of love can be. A sunbeam, Jesus wants me for a sunbeam, a sunbeam, a sunbeam, only a sunbeam for Him. I'll be a sunbeam for Jesus, I get Him all the time, serving Him moment by moment, living with Him all night. A sunbeam, Jesus wants me for a sunbeam, a sunbeam, a sunbeam, only a sunbeam for Him.
और इससे 2 हफ्ते पहले परी का भी फंक्शन हुआ था, तो मुझे लगा कि रुद्र का जब होगा तो हम साथ में दोनों का आपको दिखाएंगे। तो ये परी रेडी हो गई है अपने फंक्शन के लिए। परी का भी क्लास डे था और इनका थीम था ग्रैंड पेरेंट डे। और ये देखो परी के पापा उसको छोड़ने गए हैं सुबह स्कूल, और ये उसकी मम्मा फंक्शन के बाद उसके साथ फ़ोटो क्लिक कर रहे हैं सब। और ये रही हमारी परी। और अब दिखाते हैं आपको हम परी का डांस।
Planning something? What are they up to? How can it be possible? Rabbits running past with clocks in their hands and talking cats. It's just a dream. Oh, but I promised you that it was all real. With your wings and feet on to the race we did. Don't you know that in the rain we like to race till try again. You hear them sing the forward backward inward outward bottom to the top. Makes no difference where you run as long as you don't stop. Never any finish line, but when the race is over, no one ever seems to lose. Prizes, 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 prizes. Forward backward inward outward bottom to the top. Never a beginning, there can
see it. All the taste is right here, and I can't wait for tomorrow, 'cause you're ready. I'm gonna take no time to waste, and you get better of it. So I get on the move, find out something new. I can see it crystal clear. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna make the world shine. Got the vision, 2020 vision. Watch how we grow when we're dancing under bright lights. Got the vision, 2020 vision. Nothing could be better than this. You know I feel that we could never miss. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna make the world shine. Got the vision, 2020 vision. We're the ones in charge. You know us, yeah, you know us, okay? You're the king, and we just can't wait for tomorrow, 'cause it's ours to take, got no time to waste. And we get better again.
Only thing in the kitchen that did not sneeze was the cook and a large cat which was grinning from ear to ear. Please, couldn't tell me why cat grins like that? It's such a shy cat, that's why. Please, would you tell me which beach should I go from here? Ha ha ha, that depends on you where you want to get to. I don't care that much. Then it does not matter which way you go. As long as I get somewhere, what kind of people live here? To the north lives a hatter and to the south lives a masher. Now you are here. Tell me, are you going to play croquet with the queen today? I like croquet, but I haven't invited yet. Anyway, you'll see me there. And the cat vanished. Alice had not gone much farther. When she saw a house of Marshall, there was a table set out under a tree in front of the house. How are you getting on? How do you like the queen? Not at all. The cat belongs to the Duchess. Alice walks off the Duchess, who is in a very good mood now. Alice returns to the queen. The queen has ordered so many people to leave. Get up, take Alice to the mock turtle to hear his history. I was a real turtle once, and at the bottom of the sea was my master called Tortoise. You may have not lived much under the and sit down in that chair. Then drink some tea. You are not even polite? Well, it's also not polite to sit down without being invited. I didn't know it was your table. It sets for more than four. Why is the ribbon like a writing desk? Come, we shall have some fun now. Riddles, I believe I can guess that. Do you mean that you can find out the answer to it? Of course. Then you should say what you mean. I do. At least I mean what I say. That's the same thing, you know. Not the same thing. You might just as well say that. I see what I eat is the same as I eat what I see. You might just as well say that I breathe when I sleep is the same.
They say keep you up at night and not a problem, and they can come back. If you can push around and I can give some, you use it and I'm gonna get it. What's on over there? That's what I get. Oh yeah, your words don't mean a thing. I'm not listening. Keep talking on. I know it's wrong. I told me not to be on like she said. It's on things I didn't play the back. So over there, ready? Keep you up at night. They get to say you. It's been something to learn. I don't make it. You're nobody gets down. I didn't say you heard me.
of Aunt Benedict ma'am. She is a retired English teacher of St. Francis G. School, Janakpuri, with over 40 years of enjoyable teaching experience. She believes that the
और अब हम चले वापस रुद्र को लेके घर। और ये देखिए बाहर राम को लेके उसकी बड़ी मम्मा जा रही हैं और ये रुद्र अपना ड्रेस ऊपर का चेंज कर चुके हैं, मेकअप वेकअप लगा रखा है इन्होंने। और अब हम वेट कर रहे हैं अपनी कैब का, क्योंकि कैब आने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा था। और ये है बाबू। बाबू को हम लोग फ़ोटो शूट कर रहे थे उसकी बड़ी मम्मा के साथ। और ये सेंट मैरी स्कूल रुद्र का।
ये जो मेरे बच्चे के साथ फोटो जो तुम तब से जो लिए जा रही हो ना, किसी को लगेगा कि ये इन्हीं का बच्चा है। हाँ जो
और हमारी कैब आ गई तो हम बैठ गए कैब में और अब हम चले अपने घर। आई होप आज का ब्लॉग आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा। रुद्र के स्कूल का हमने क्लास डे फंक्शन आपसे शेयर किया, तो मुझे लगता है आपको पसंद आया होगा। और अगर मेरा ब्लॉग आपको पसंद आता है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेरे वीडियो को शेयर करें और लाइक करें। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।